Hi, it's Sharon Goulet from digitalnomadwannabe.com. I'm back for the second installment in this case study for my new blog. So I bought a domain name, so the site actually exists now. So I ended up going simplerandsmarter.com.au. I wanted something short that was lifestyleish and kind of described how I felt. So I'm sort of like about trying to always live my life in a simpler and smarter way. So that's what it's called. I bought the .com as well, but it just redirects to the .com.au. I actually bought it the other way around too, like smarter and simpler, just so someone else doesn't get it. So I've got that domain. And I also got the hosting set up, so the site exists. And I put out my first blog post, which made me feel like I had the right pick actually, because it came quite naturally. I just wrote about something going on in my life at the moment, and it related back to the domain name really well. So I was able to put that in there, and I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, that's what I've done, because the only thing I wanted to achieve right now, because I don't have time to build it faster, is to get the site aging. So that required getting it up. I want to make sure I've got SSL certificate on there working properly, and just a piece of content that's at least 300 words. So it's like 480, so that's good. And then it can just age. Now I did just put it on a hosting account I already have, and SSL, I try to use SSL via Cloudflare, like a lot of people talk about doing for free. And it's really just not working properly or 100% correctly. So we do just have to move to another hosting at the SSL, but the site's really small, so that's no big deal at all. So that's definitely what I'm doing next. I'll show you the site in a minute, what I've done so far, but yeah, we'll move hosts. But the next steps that I'm going to concentrate on, and it's not exactly what I teach, because for example, I'm not going to put the email list on there yet, because I'm not doing anything to actually get people on the site yet, so it doesn't really matter. All I'm trying to do is to get the social media accounts, the main ones, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And that's just so I can get the domain name in it, right? Like, it's at the moment, Simpler and Smarter is available on all these platforms. So I'm just going to get the accounts and do nothing with them for the moment, just have them ready to go. Like, that's really what I'm doing at the moment, just setting myself up ready to go. So I'll do that. And then the next step is to get some more content on the site. Obviously, it's just one piece. So before I can really do anything else, I really want to get to the point of starting to link build, so that when opportunities come up, just naturally, I can just go, oh yeah, I'll write for this collab or whatever. Or if you want to link to me for something, can you link to this site instead of a different site? So I just need the site at a point where I can do that. That's sort of like my next goal, because I'm not going to be actively working on it for a little while, but I really just want to put the right building blocks in place for SEO. So I've got the site actually up and aging, some more content so that it looks like a site, have it looking a little bit nicer, because it's just very default at the moment. So people don't mind linking to it. And yeah, like, it's just all to get it to the point where I can start link building. So that's what I'm just going to work on slowly as I have a chance. And yeah, I mean, it's a lot. I already feel exhausted thinking about it, but excited. So we'll see how it goes. And I'll give you a look right now at the site, how it's going so far. This is my new site. You can see it's definitely like simpler at the moment. It's just really got like a default theme, and it's got one blog post, and that is it. So I wrote the one blog post. It's got a bit of content to age. It's really just what was on my mind recently. No special effort put into it, just something to get it out there, and why I'm sort of starting the site is what that's about.